Hey everyone, in this video I'm doing a quick battery change on my Casio JP-200W. It froze on a timer I accidentally left on for a couple of days. The battery was already going strong for almost 3 years, so I figured I might as well change it out. This Casio was released in 1992 and was featured as part of the workout series of the 1993 Casio catalog. Getting to the battery is pretty simple as it's just these 4 screws keeping the case on. Just be careful not to round them out. There's a small white plastic protector that's easy to remove before you have access to the battery latch. The latch itself is easier to remove than it looks. You just need a small thin point like a toothpick or tweezers to unhook it. The battery is a CR 2016 button cell. Fortunately, they're fairly common. Once you slide in the battery, the end of the latch just needs a gentle press to click back into place. The last thing to do is to short the circuit through the AC terminal using something conductive like metal tweezers. Your watch should be working good as new now. Let's check it out now that it's working again. This watch has 4 main alternative functions, which is recall, stopwatch, timer, and alarm. Recall records your previous heart rate readings. Stopwatch is for timing something, timer is to time something, and the alarm sets either a daily or weekly alarm. It's also where you enable hourly chimes. The small recessed metal button on the top left of the watch is used to adjust both the time and the alarm. The watch has a pretty weak light function as Casio's illuminator technology wouldn't be released until a few years later with the 1995 G-Shock illuminator. Here's the timer functionality. It makes the same sound as the alarm once the countdown reaches 0. Let's get into the main feature of this Casio, its ability to check your pulse with a finger sensor. Interestingly, I was initially having issues getting readings on my pulse, and I think it has to do with the flicker of my LED lighting. This was causing a false pulse of roughly 7,200, which the watch wouldn't show. After some adjustment, I got it to work within a few seconds, showing that I have a very human pulse. Additional documents, such as the manual, can be found in the video description. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.